Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today's English class is going to be fun. So put on your thinking cap as you have to write dictation test and we are going to do some exercises which will help you enhance your vocabulary. So some word building exercises and an exercise related to poem 3 Boat Sail on the River, which is reading comprehension, where we will see how much you have understood the poem. So let's begin. Open your study notebook and prepare one page this way. Write today's date 1.7.20 in the first line in the margin. Then the heading will be English Lesson 3 Dictation. All this will come in the first line. Then write numbers 1 to 10, leaving one line after each number. I shall be repeating each word thrice. So, ready? Okay. The first word, structure. Number 1, structure. First word, structure. Number 2, obstacles. Obstacles. Number 2, obstacles. Number 3, barge. Number 3, barge. Number 3, barge. Number 4, prettier. Number 4, prettier. Number 4, prettier. Number 5, railway. Number 5, railway. Number 5, railway. Number 6, surface. Number 6, surface. Number 6, surface. Number 7, overtops. Number 7, overtops. Number 7, overtops. Number 8, believed. Number 8, believed. Number 8, believed. Number 9, across. Number 9, across. Number 9, across. And last, number 10, stern. Stern. Last, number 10, stern. Now I am going to repeat all the words. Please check and write down if you have missed out any. Number 1, structure. Number 2, obstacles. Number 3, barge. Number 4, prettier. Number 5, railway. Number 6, surface. Number 7, overtops. Number 8, believed. Number 9, across. And last, number 10, stern. Children, take a picture of your work and put it on Google Classroom as well as ERP. For this week, we will continue both. Today itself, please do this. Now, open your textbook at page 32. You have a picture of a boat, and in the box there are some words like rudder, stern, mast and sail, and you have to label these parts, right? So you have to write which part of the boat refers to sail, mast, stern and rudder, right? Take some time, guess and then try to label the parts. Let me help you with this. Children, as you can see, I have drawn some arrows showing the parts of a boat. If we start with the first word here, this pole which you can see is called a mast. Mast is here. Then this white part, usually made of cloth, is called sail. I know this is easy. You all must have seen this in cartoons and movies. Then this part of the boat where I am moving my cursor, can you see a red dot moving up and down? That part is called stern. Stern. And this part where you can see my cursor moving, which is under the water, is called rudder. So this way we have learned these new words today. These will help us build our vocabulary. Now children, now we have some words, extra words related to a boat. These are not from your book and we don't have to learn them for the unit test. But if you learn them in free time, it will help you build your vocabulary. Let us see them one by one. Mast, head of the sail, leech, backstay, topping lift, clew, boom, tiller, stern, rudder, keel, hull, mainsail, jib, luff, forestay, shroud, tech, pulpit and bow. Reading Comprehension, page 33. Answer the questions. Complete the paragraph with details from the poem. Children, read this paragraph carefully and try to find out the answers from the poem. Boats sail on the... Now it is time for you to think for the answer. Where do boats sail? Yes, if you have found, write down in your blank. And big ships sail on the dash. Where do ships sail? That word you write down here. Boats and ships are not as pretty as dash. If you remember the poem, you can turn the pages and refer to the poem in your course book. You will find that in beginning 3 to 4 lines, the poet is comparing the boats and ships to something. What is that? That you can find out and write down here. That sail in the dash. So something that is sailing in some place. So find out the answer for this blank and write down. Rainbows are dash in the sky. What are rainbows in the sky? How do they work? What do they do? What are they? They build dash from the earth to the sky. So what do rainbows do in the sky? From the earth to the sky. Dash then any bridge. I hope you have tried to find out the answer. Let us check your answers. Children, please check your answers. Boats sail on the rivers and big ships sail on the seas. Boats and ships are not as pretty as the clouds that sail in the sky. Rainbows are the bridges. We have seen in line 7 in the poem that there is a bow which is functioning, which acts as a bridge. So here we can say rainbows are the bridges in the sky and they build a road from the earth to the sky. Are prettier than any bridge. Are prettier means the rainbows are prettier than any other bridge. Now let us see the exercise on page 36 under the heading Creative Writing. Let us write this poem. Take clues from the pictures given alongside. So children, it means you have some lines given here and on the side you have some pictures. You have to look at the pictures and try to find out what can we fill in the blanks. Before we start this exercise, let me remind you that we have learnt rhyming words in form 2. If you remember, rhyming words are the words which have same sound at the end. For example, hall, ball, call, fall. Take, cake, make, bake. So, this way, most of the poems, each line will end with a rhyming word. And here, this will also help as a clue. So, let us start. Saturday is cool as I have no dash. Because it is at the end, I'll try to think of a rhyming word. The word rhyming with cool. Let us see. Oh yes, as I have no school. Next lines. No need to get up dash. Holiday is really a boon. Children, if you can look at the picture, you can see what is this child doing? Yes, he is sleeping. And it is already morning time. So, can you guess any word which can go with boon? Let us see. Yes, so soon. No need to get up so soon. Holiday is really a boon. Coursebook page 37. I like to play with my mate and stay awake till dash. Children, look at this picture. What does this show? What can you guess? And something, a word which is rhyming with mate. I think we can take here. So think of a word which would go with this line. Yes, you got it right. Stay awake till late. Next two lines. Sunday is the best day. Everyone looks dash and gay. Now can you see day and gay are rhyming, but what will come here? Think. What will come in this blank? How will you feel on a Sunday? Let us see. Yes, happy and gay. Okay, let us see further. I help Mama in the dash as she makes rice and chicken. What place can you see here? In this picture? Yes, you guessed it right. It is very easy. Kitchen. I help Mama in the kitchen as she makes rice and chicken. Very good. Next. Papa takes me to the barber. It's fun to see him use his scissors. I help Grandpa dig the weeds and watch as he sows the, let us see, yes, seeds. The day is over far too soon. Sunday, do come back soon. So children, this way we have completed this exercise. Children, now as you have revised the rhyming words well, it is time for some fun activity along with learning. So take your toy camera and try to find out rhyming words from the poem Boats Sail on the Rivers. You take some time. I'll wait for you. Okay, I hope it must have been very easy. Please check your answers if you have found seas, these, please, and trees. These are the rhyming words in our poem. Now let us go to page 38. It is fun time and they have asked us to answer the riddles. Children, a riddle is a puzzle or joke in which you can ask a question that seems to be meaningless but which has a clever or amusing answer. Amusing means which makes you laugh, right? So here you have to think of the answers, read the questions carefully, and these kind questions you can ask your friends, parents, cousins, siblings, right? So let us begin the fun. Number 1. Which key doesn't fit in a keyhole? Right? Think, come on, think. I think you have found because it is very easy. Yes, it can be a monkey or a donkey. They will not fit in a keyhole, right? Okay, number 2. Which flower grows on your face? Oh, this is a tough one. Think. Does any flower grow on your face? Which one? I'll help you with this. It is tulip. Now you must be wondering, I have never seen a tulip growing on anyone's face. I'll explain this one later. But number 3, what flies without wings? Number 4, who can shave 20 times a day and still have a beard? And number 5, what comes down but never goes up? These 3 are easy and you have to try to find out the answers on your own. Now let me explain you number 2. Children, let us try to understand answer 2. The name tulip is thought to be derived from a Persian word for turban. Derived means we have got this word from the Persian word for turban. The flower got its name from the resemblance of its petals to the overlapping folds of cloth in a turban. As you can see in picture 1, you can see a man wearing a turban which has overlapping fold. One fold is covering some part of the next fold. Same way, if you look at that purple tulip, it also looks like the petals are overlapping. So, because of the similarity, the flower got its name tulip. Right? In the next picture also, where there is a man wearing a white turban and beside that is a white tulip. So this way, in form of a puzzle, you can ask people which flower grows on your face. Children, the answers to the riddle number 3, 4 and 5 on page 38 are given on the same page. At the end of the page, right side corner, the answers are written upside down. You can check your answers with the given one. And if you have enjoyed today's class, clap with me now. Thank you.